Hey everyone, Dyson has officially launched the V8 Cyclone in China, positioning it as a flagship cordless vacuum that builds on the company's reputation for combining powerful suction with advanced design. Priced at around $418, the V8 Cyclone introduces 5 key improvements over its predecessors, making it a more versatile and efficient cleaning solution. At the heart of the V8 Cyclone is Dyson's updated digital motor, identified as Model DS20, which spins at an impressive 110,000 revolutions per minute. This motor delivers a suction capacity of 150 air watts, strong enough to lift fine dust and extract dirt embedded in mattresses, floor cracks, and other soft or uneven surfaces. Importantly, Dyson notes that the 150 air watts rating is measured without attachments, ensuring users get a realistic idea of its core suction power. Battery life has always been a crucial factor for cordless vacuums, and Dyson has addressed this by equipping the V8 Cyclone with a removable battery system. A single charge offers up to 60 minutes of operation, which is generally sufficient for most households. However, with the ability to swap in a spare battery, users can effectively extend cleaning sessions indefinitely. Recharging the battery from empty takes about 4 hours, balancing convenience with endurance. Design has always been central to Dyson's products, and the V8 Cyclone continues this tradition with a slim profile, measuring 1,160 millimeters in length and weighing only 1.65 kilograms. The lightweight build, combined with a point-and-press trigger system, enhances ergonomics and makes it easier to handle during prolonged use. Whether cleaning overhead shelves, under furniture, or tight spots in a car, the design emphasizes flexibility and comfort. Dyson includes a variety of accessories with the vacuum to maximize its effectiveness. A motorized mattress brush is designed to extract allergens and dust mites from bedding, while the soft roller cleaner head is ideal for hard surfaces such as wood or tile. For tighter spaces, a crevice tool makes it easier to clean window tracks, corners, and narrow gaps. To adapt to different cleaning demands, the V8 Cyclone offers 3 operating modes that balance power and battery efficiency. Filtration is another standout feature of the vacuum. The V8 Cyclone employs Dyson's sealed dual-layer cyclone filtration system, capable of capturing 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This not only improves air quality, but also prevents secondary contamination during cleaning. The 0.54-liter dustbin can be emptied with a single motion, minimizing mess, and both the roller brush and filter are washable for long-term maintenance. Durability has also been a focus in the V8 Cyclone's development. According to Dyson, the vacuum has undergone rigorous testing, including continuous operation for 425 hours and 15,000 impact tests to ensure reliability over years of use. Buyers are further reassured by a 2-year warranty covering both parts and labor. Overall, the Dyson V8 Cyclone refines the cordless vacuum experience by combining powerful suction, advanced filtration, thoughtful ergonomics, and practical features like a swappable battery system. It positions itself as a well-rounded premium option for users seeking strong performance in a lightweight, flexible design that adapts to a variety of cleaning needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.